So hello students, welcome to the video lecture of water resources engineering. So here we are studying about water requirement of crops and reservoir planning. So in this video lecture we will see what is area capacity curve. So myself Rushali Mane, lecturer in civil engineering department, NIT Polytechnic, Nagpur. So vision and mission of the institute. So vision, excellence in technical education to empower youth. Then mission, impart quality technical education to prepare students with excellent technical skills. Then develop competent and employable diploma engineers and responsible citizens. Then strengthen industry institute interaction. Then vision and mission of the department. Vision, to impart excellent civil engineering skills to develop employable civil diploma engineers. Then mission, imparting the modern technical skill as per the requirement of the industry to improve employability, to develop social and environmental responsible civil engineers. Then effective implementation of teaching learning process to benefit students. Then course outcome, estimate crop water requirement of a command area and capacity of canals. Then unit outcome, calculate reservoir capacity from given data. Then program outcomes mapped here are basic discipline and knowledge, problem analysis, engineering practices for society, sustainability and environment, then project management, and then lifelong learning. Then what is area capacity curve? So it is combination of area capacity and storage elevation curves. So area capacity is important for planning and operation purposes. These curves are plotted for deciding the operating level of reservoir and height of the dam. So area capacity curves are usually used for reservoir flooding route, reservoir operation, determination of water surface area, and capacity corresponding to each elevation, reservoir classification and reservoir sediment distribution. So basically area capacity curve जो है ये रिजर्वायर का ऑपरेटिंग लेवल और हाइट ऑफ द डैम डिटरमाइन करने के लिए ही प्लॉट किया जाता है. देन एरिया एलिवेशन कर्व. So the reservoir basin is contour surveyed up to tentative high flood level with contour 1 to 3 meter interval. इस तरह से एरिया एलिवेशन कर्व के लिए डाटा कैलकुलेट किया जाता है. द एरियाज विद इन कंटूर लाइन्स आर फाउंड आउट बाय प्लानिंग मीटर. सो प्लानिंग मीटर के हेल्प से जो एरियाज विद इन द कंटूर्स है वो कैलकुलेट किए जाते हैं. देन एरियाज ऑफ सक्सेसिव कंटूर्स A1, A2, A3 अप टू AN एक्सेट्रा, इस तरह से एरिया कैलकुलेट किए जाते हैं. द एरिया A1 इज मिनिमम एट द बॉटम ऑफ द बेसिन एंड एरिया AN इज मैक्सिमम एट द टॉप ऑफ द बेसिन. So curve gives an area submerged at different elevation. Then storage elevation curves. The volume of storage of water between successive contours is calculated by cone formula or prismoidal formula as described given below. Then cone formula. So storage elevation can be calculated. So cone formula is V is equal to H by 3 A1 plus A2 plus under root of A1 A2 cubic meter, where V is volume between two adjacent contours lines having A1 and A2 in square meter between them. Then H is vertical interval in meter between these two adjacent contour lines. Then next is prismoidal formula. Formula is given by V is equal to H upon 6 A1 plus A2 plus 4 AM cubic meter, where AM is equal to area within a contour line midway between the two adjacent contours. Then knowing the area going to be submerged, land can be acquired accordingly. The compensation to be paid to the landowners can be estimated correctly. From the topographical features of the area, roads, railways and other lines of communication can be based, aligned and constructed. Then use of area capacity curve. So area capacity curve is useful in deciding capacity of reservoir, water spread of reservoir, elevation of water at any point can be calculated. This is the best use of area capacity curve. Determine control levels of dam, then area elevation curve and storage elevation curve. So this shows the example. So on x axis you can see storage capacity, on y axis you can see RL, that is level of the dam, and again here area in kilometers. So basically area capacity curve is the curve where two curves are plotted in a single figure. So water spread on x axis, reservoir capacity on curve axis, and gives area under submergence and useful in determining level of the dam. So this is one example of showing area capacity curve. Then this is again showing area elevation curve. So here by drawing two curves, maximum operating level of the dam can be estimated or can be calculated. So this curve will show what is minimum operating level and maximum operating level of the dam. So here you can see this volume elevation curve, and here is area elevation curve. So combination of area elevation and volume elevation combinedly is called as area capacity curve. So this was all about the today's lecture. Summary: what we have studied today, that is area elevation curve, storage elevation curve. Thank you.